Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about cardio versus weightlifting and which is better for weight loss. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. We've all been there. Maybe your doctor told you have to lose weight, maybe you just want to feel better, maybe you have an event that you want to go to, but it always comes down to asking yourself the question, well, should I do cardio or should I lift weights? These are two of the most popular workouts, but which is better for weight loss? So cardio burns more calories per session. You can actually use your body weight to calculate how many calories that your body is going to burn during each exercise. Now that counts for cardio and for weightlifting. For most of the exercises that you're going to be doing, the more you weigh, typically the more calories you're going to burn. In general, if you are putting in the same amount of effort, you're going to be burning more calories doing cardio exercises than you would doing weight training exercises. But again, this is all going to come down to the size of your body and the intensity that you're working out at. Now, on the other hand, weight training helps you burn more calories every day. So while it might not burn as many calories as cardio would, it has other benefits. For example, weight training is more effective when it comes to building muscle compared to cardio. And muscle burns more calories at rest than other tissues do, even fat. For example, you're going to be burning more calories a couple hours after you did a weight training session compared to doing a cardio exercise. After weight training, your resting metabolism can actually stay elevated for up to 38 hours, and that doesn't happen with cardio. So what does this mean? All this means is that when you're doing weightlifting exercises, you're going to be burning more calories hours and days after exercise, not just while you're doing it. So cardio and weightlifting are the most popular workouts, but there's also HIIT, so that's high intensity interval training. So this involves short bursts of very intense exercises paired with very low intensity recovery periods. So HIIT workouts take about only 10 to 30 minutes. So these exercises include a lot of body weight exercises, so biking, running, jumping, sprinting, things like that. So HIIT typically burns about 20 to 30% more calories than the other two exercises we talked about, but it doesn't mean that the other two exercises aren't good for weight loss. HIIT and cardio actually are very similar when it comes to reducing your body circumference and reducing fat. Basically, the benefit of high-intensity interval training is that it burns a lot of calories just like cardio would, but in way less time. So now that we've covered a couple different types of workouts and exercises, now let's get into the frequency. So how often should you exercise per week? So less than 150 minutes per week of intense exercises like cardio or more moderate exercises typically isn't enough for weight loss. More than 150 minutes per week definitely is sufficient and you will see changes, but it's definitely better to do more than that. Now, which types of exercises should you do? So traditional weight training is not very helpful for weight loss, but when you're pairing weight training with cardio, then that's where you're going to see the most change. This is where you're going to lose the most amount of weight and fat. This is the best because you're going to see the best body composition changes here, so you're going to be losing weight, losing fat, while also building and gaining muscle. But keep in mind, even though your weight might not be changing, your body composition probably is. For example, weight training can lead to a decrease in fat and an increase in muscle, so this can show the scale as being actually greater than what it was before, but that's just because you're gaining muscle. So I typically advise you not to look at the scale and look in the mirror. The mirror says it all. You look at yourself every day, so it's hard to see changes in your body. So what I would recommend is weekly or monthly to just take a picture of yourself and then compare them week by week or month to month, and then you can really see the changes despite anything that the scale says. Now it's time to talk about diet, because both diet and exercise are crucial when it comes to long-term success. So exercise and a healthy diet is essential for optimal health. Everybody knows that. As someone in the health field of nutrition and dietetics, I'm telling you, you have to change both your diet and your exercising habits in order to promote a healthy lifestyle and to lose weight. You can follow the best exercise routine there is out there, or even have a personal trainer, but it's simply not enough. If you want to optimize your progress and your results, you have to focus on your diet. If you haven't seen it already, I'll make sure to link somewhere on the screen or in the description box my video on how to lose fat. I think it'll be really helpful for you. A combination of dietary changes and weight loss leads to 20% more weight loss than just a diet alone or just exercise alone. This is also more effective at maintaining your weight loss as compared to just one or the other. Okay, so bottom line is both cardio and weightlifting can help you be healthier and more fit over time. A cardio workout burns more calories than weightlifting does, but your metabolism stays elevated after a weightlifting workout rather than after a cardio workout. And weightlifting is also better, obviously, for building muscle. The ideal exercise program for both improving your body composition and your health is going to be a combination of both cardio and weightlifting exercise. Okay, well that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss either one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.